Hey guys, Justin here. I'm at LOHAS Park right now. And this is not really a request vlog, but it's a small little request journey. Bye. Happy Gamer 123653. Can you film the shuttle service between Tiu Keng Leng and LOHAS Park from LOHAS Park? So that's why here we are. LOHAS Park to Tiu Keng Leng for this video. According to the caption, TKL Shuttle. Here we go. Oh, this window sucks. Hang on, this window is terrible. Any better windows? This one's okay. Here we go. Happy Gamer 123653. Thank you for the request here. So according to Cap, you can see the title is a full journey because we'll start from the first station of this train and we'll end at the last station of service for this train, which is Tiu Keng Leng. So that's why we're doing a full journey here. And also one thing is I'm searching for a toilet, but I went to Tseung Kwan O station and there are no toilets. And I thought that LOHAS Park station should have a toilet, yeah, because it's actually a very new station and of course it does not. So I probably need to go back out to Yao Tong or something. I don't know whether Tiu Keng Leng station have one. I think yes, because I think I went up there last time. So might go to Tiu Keng Leng and we'll go to have a water break. I'm in desperate need of going to the toilet, so we'll end the video in Tiu Keng Leng and we're going to rush to the toilet. Now, this is right now 4 o'clock, 4:15, I think, 4:20 around there. I'll check my phone here. Here's Tseung Kwan O. 4:20, so, and I saw the panel where starting from 5 p.m. there will be starting trains from LOHAS Park all the way down to North Point. During rush hours, there are trains from LOHAS, train service between LOHAS Park and North Point. So I've done an early one last time at 9 o'clock, and I think it ends at around 9:30, and then it starts again at 5. So just sit down filming. So again, the train only terminates at Tiu Keng Leng, and then there will be trains down to North Point again. 调景里，乘客可以换乘观塘线，坐 Next station Tiu Keng Leng interchange station for the Tseung Kwan O Line。亦可以轉乘將軍澳線往油塘至北角各站，乘客也可以換乘將軍澳線前往油塘到北角各站。You can also change to the Tseung Kwan O Line for stations from Yau Tong to North Point。調景嶺本班列車已抵達尾站，請所有乘客落車。本班列車已到達終點站。And it instantly cuts because they just Tiu Keng Leng, and that's the shuttle service complete. That's the quick full journey right here, because like I said, full journey, I define full journey as I travel from the first station for the train to the last station of service for the train. So that's why this is a full journey. Send a train out. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Thank you for a quick little short request video right here. Click on the videos. Click on these videos up top. Subscribe to my bus channel. And if you guys want to follow my Instagram, remember to check the link in the description for my Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!